Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with ADP Mobile for paycheck viewing safely. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with ADP Mobile for paycheck viewing safely, start by downloading the ADP Mobile app from your device's App Store. Open the app once the download is complete. Select the login option on the home screen. Enter your ADP user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password accurately. If you are accessing the service for the first time, you may need to register your account. To do this, click on the Register or New User link on the login page. Follow the prompts to enter your personal identification information. This may include your social security number, date of birth, and other relevant details. After entering the required information, create a secure password that meets all security guidelines. Once registered, return to the login page. Input your newly created user ID and password. Before clicking Login, ensure you are connected to a secure Wi-Fi network or using mobile data. This is crucial for protecting your personal information during the login process. If prompted, enable biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, for added security. Review the terms and conditions before confirming any settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Pay or Paycheck section of the app. Here, you can view your current and past paychecks securely. Ensure you log out after each session to protect your information. If you encounter any issues during the login process, refer to the FAQ section within the app for assistance. Stay updated on any app notifications or updates for improved security features. Lastly, remember to regularly change your password for optimal account security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.